Life hasn't been the same since COVID. Stress levels are on an incline. What I've seen with facial aesthetics is that master Botox treatment has rocketed. This is because clenching and grinding habits are now so much more common due to stress. You might feel like you're getting headaches more often, or maybe you're a little bit more tense when you wake up. Some patients also complain of reduced sleep. Don't worry, we have solutions for you. Come and see us at Beresford Dental Clinic. Master Botox might be the solution for you, or even a splint to sleep with at night.